Yo, FFW.
6:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Possible in the Warren area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other foreign encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
It's not flooding outside yet.
Watch remains in effect.
My gosh, Dig 300 won't go off. I'm not surprised.